In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Leadpages. This is a simple setup that lets you use your own domain with your Leadpages, landing pages, making your brand look more professional and easier to manage. First, open your browser and go to the Leadpages website. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click on Domains. Then choose Connect a Domain to start the process. Next, enter your domain name. You can connect your main root domain like yourdomain.com or use a subdomain such as pages.yourdomain.com depending on how you want your site structured. Make sure you type the domain correctly, as this is how visitors will reach your landing page. Since your domain is registered with GoDaddy, you'll see an option to authorize. Click this button and log in to your GoDaddy account when prompted. This step allows Leadpages to automatically update the required DNS settings for you, saving time and avoiding manual configuration. After authorizing, follow the on-screen instructions in Leadpages. You'll be asked to choose which landing page the domain should point to. Once selected, confirm the setup and wait a few moments for the connection to complete. That's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now connected to Leadpages and ready to use. You can start publishing high-converting landing pages on your own branded domain with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get set up smoothly.